Hello, my name is Juan Camilo, Juamcamilo. My last names are Hernandez Erazo, Hernandez, Erazo. I am from Colombia. I am 18 years old. I was born at Sincelejo City. My phone number is 311-410-7421. My email address is juan.hernandez8er@secar.edu.co. I live in Las Llanadas, a village belonging Corozal. I am currently studying a degree in teaching foreign languages at Secar, but I am not working right now. Thank you. Goodbye.